Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from IT Army, and this is tutorial number 66, and in this video we are going to talk about the subtotal command. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have data and I want to do the subtotaling based on different groups, based on categories, based on product names. So if I have to do these things manually, then I would need to first of all sort this data. I need to click on sort A to Z, and then I need to insert the row over here and then do the totaling for this group and then for beverages, and so many groups are there. So if I do this thing manually, it would be quite tedious. So in this case I can use the group function, I can use the subtotal command, and then it will do that thing for me. So this subtotal command is basically the combination of the previous two videos. It will automatically do the outlining for me, and it will also do the subtotaling for me. So let's see how to do that. So let's see. First of all, the prerequisite for subtotal is that the data should be sorted on the columns on which you want to do the subtotaling. So I want to do the subtotaling based on, let's say, category name. So I have done the sorting on category. I need to go to the data tab, and there in the outline group you're gonna find subtotal. Now over here it's asking me that you want to do the subtotaling at each change in, and I want that whenever the category changes, from here, whenever the category changes, do the subtotaling. Now then we have the list of functions available. These functions are same as we discussed in the previous video. In the subtotal function, I want to do the summation of that, and what columns you want to do the totaling on. So you can select, I want to do the totaling on the total column, this column. If you want to do the totaling of any other column, you can select that, and then I can click on OK, and then you can see that it has created the outlines over here, and that outlining each and every category is in one group, and then we have one row inserted over here that is containing the total of that category. So this way you can see that I am seeing different categories, and at last I have the grand total. So I can go to the highest level where I see the grand total. I can see the total for different groups, and then I have the total for, I have the details for each and every order. So this is how I can perform the totaling. Now if you want to do the totaling on multiple columns, that also is possible. So if I say I want to do the on product name also, so let's first of all remove that. So how to remove that totaling is say remove all, and it gets removed. So first of all, I just need to sort the data on category and then on product name. So from sorting, you remember, we can do it from here. So just first of all select the data, sort. So first of all sort by category, and the next level I want to sort by product name, and all from A to Z. Click on OK, and now your data is sorted. Now I can say that I want to do the subtotaling. First of all, do on category, I want to do the summation of total column, and I click on OK. So you can see the totaling is done. Now again I want to do subtotaling, but this time I want to do based on the product name, and I want to do the summation of total column only. And then you need to be careful over here. We have an option over here, replace current subtotal. If I go ahead and click on OK, it's going to remove this subtotaling for category, and then it will put only for product name. I don't want that. I just remove this checkbox. And now when I click on OK, now you can see that it has added the second level of subtotaling. So when I go to the highest level, I am seeing the grand total. I click on 2, you are seeing for different categories, and then when I click on level 3, that is show me for individual products, I'm seeing the total, and number 4 is the detail, where you can see the detail for each and every item, each and every order. So this is the main objective of subtotal. And also we have option over here for page break. So if you want that for each and every total that you are doing, if you want to have page break, you can select that checkbox over here, page break, insert page break between each and every group. So that's all about subtotaling. Hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.